In this video, I'm going to show you how I can easily change the color of a model clothes or the color of design elements right here with Lightroom. So let's get started. So as soon as you have your image imported in Lightroom, so I'll just enhance this real quick. So, but if you still want a more detailed tutorial on how I use Lightroom, you can check my Lightroom playlist. The link is in the description. So normally the first thing I actually do here is to increase my contrast. So increase this so you can see the difference. Is kind of applying a little a brighter effect to this. I don't normally use highlights. I use shadow, and you should take note in Lightroom. As you can see from the sliders here, every slider you are seeing here, let me go back to the beginning where I was. Every slider I see here, the right side is the bright side and the left side is the dark side. So you can see for the shadows, you can increase your, I use shadows sometimes. So white, just that's the name, exactly what it does, increase the white area black. Since there's no enough dark tone in this image, I'll reduce it. Like I said, the left is the dark side and the right is the light side, sorry. So I'll just do this for this. So I don't really want to take your time in this tutorial, so let me just head over to, I use texture and clarity. So let me head over to the main thing which I actually want to do here. So if you want to change the color of the clothes, or if it is a design you have already, what you need to do is to go to the color section here. Once you've gone to the color section here, I suggest you increase the vibrance first. Increase the vibrance first, so to your own taste. Once the vibrance has been increased, scroll up, go to mix. So now exactly the way I've seen all this color section here, any color that you pick from this top, that is the color you can change. And see one color is selected, you can see the color option that you have here. Look at the hue. You can see from here change purple, and just to the other side, that's only the color you can actually change it to. So you should take note that from once you are in this section, these three colors, the first three colors affect the image face itself, because these are part of your these colors are actually in the human face. So if you see the red, let's take a look at the lips. The red is okay. You can just see it's changing, as affecting the face a little bit. So you should be careful. But if sometimes I actually touch this just a little bit, you can just move it just a little bit, increase the luminance. Like I said, the luminance is the brightness, and the right side is the brightness, the left side is the darkness. So if you want to do for the orange, you can see what I'm saying. These three affects the face. So now it's purple that is the main color here. So I'll head over to purple, and then I'll click so you can see. Once I move the slider to the left or the right, so you just need to position this till you are okay with. I think this is okay. I think this is nice. So you can see now, this is even nice. This is even nice. So you can see I've actually changed the color for this. Okay, this didn't affect this color. I've already changed the color. Once you change that color, you just click on done and you're good to go. That is how you can actually change the color of any element at all. So if you have okay, let me go to a more practical work here, a design itself. So if you have a design now, I can see all this where I inputted my text and everything. You can see that there are colors there. So all you need to do is to go to color section, go to mix, and then you see blue. There's no need to be testing all this color. Only the color you are seeing on your screen, that's the color you should just go for to change. So blue is, I'll head over to blue. So you can see I've changed my, I think the design is even nice like this. I've changed my the blue stuff to green. So you can see this, how you can change it. Since it's only blue that is the dominant color here, so of course it's only blue that will change. Remember that the orange, the red, and the yellow affects the face itself. So do well to just try this out in your next design projects, and I hope it helps. If you found value from this, like, share, and subscribe, and follow this channel for more, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.